In this video, we'll demonstrate how to begin walking with the walker during the stage of toe touch weight bearing of your rehab phase. Let's assume the right leg to be the injured leg, which is going to be in the state of toe touch weight bearing. In case of toe touch weight bearing, we put about 10 to 20% of weight onto the toes, which is in contact with the ground, with the rest of the foot lifted up off the ground. Do ensure that the surface you're walking on isn't very slippery. Before walking, ensure that you've adjusted the height of the walker in accordance to your height to ensure comfort and stability. The height of your walker should be about your hip level with your elbows slightly bent. Before beginning to walk, ensure to place all the bases of the walker firmly into the ground. To start walking, move the walker slightly forward. Next, take the injured leg forward with the toes only in touch with the ground, bearing 10 to 20% of the weight. Balance weight on your hand and on the left leg. Make sure to place both the legs within the line of the walker and not exceed beyond it. Take each step slowly, maintaining balance, posture, and caution. The movement becomes smoother with practice. Initially, walk in straight lines for practice and follow the same guidelines for taking turns or pivoting safely. Some common mistakes to avoid are: do not lean too forward over the walker. Make sure you do not keep the walker neither too far nor too close from your body. And lastly, make sure to not tip off the bases of the walker from the ground. Ensure to place them firmly into the ground.